Two Nexus 7010 chassis, we call them, fully loaded with power supplies and cards. Nexus 7000 wasn't a complete success. I know it's replaced by the Nexus 7700 range, which is more popular and doing very well. But I think what it was is you could upgrade, you had to upgrade the chassis if you wanted to use some of the later cards in the Nexus 7000. So these don't hold their value so well. £300 each for them or something like that. Okay, list price for those were way over 100,000 each. We'll probably sell them out piecemeal with filter, fan tray and fab card, and modules and whatnot. But in grand total, we'll probably sell each of those for, I don't know, £1,000 each, maybe a little bit more if we're lucky. But anyway, I just thought I'd share that one with you.